Welcome to this in-depth Altilly review. Today, we'll take a closer look at how to navigate and use the Altilly platform for buying and selling crypto assets. Altilly is a comprehensive exchange where you can trade a variety of cryptocurrencies, including altcoins, with a focus on providing low fees and high liquidity for its users. Whether you're new to crypto or an experienced trader, Altilly offers a user-friendly interface to help you manage your portfolio. To start, head over to the Altilly homepage, where you'll find various options to explore. You can either sign up or log into your account from the top right corner of the page. Once logged in, you'll be taken to the dashboard, which shows your wallet balance, available pairs, and current market activity. You can browse the available cryptocurrencies, which are listed under the Markets section. The platform supports a wide range of coins, so you'll likely find what you're looking for. To trade, simply select the cryptocurrency pair you want to trade, for example, BTC/USDT or ETH/BTC. Click on the pair, and you'll be directed to the trading screen where you can view the current price, order book, and recent trades. To make a purchase or sale, simply choose between placing a limit order or market order, depending on how you'd like to execute your trade. Did you know that your USDTs can generate passive income? With the Nexo platform, it's easy. Just transfer your USDT to Nexo and start earning up to 12% APR with daily accruals. This is the perfect way to make your crypto assets work for you. Sign up link and bonus for new users is in the description. Once your trade is placed, you can monitor its progress directly in the Open Orders section. From here, you can make adjustment or cancel any pending trades if necessary. The platform also provides useful charting tools for technical analysis to help you make informed decisions about your trades. Don't forget, Altilly has a referral program where you can earn rewards by referring new users to the platform. Be sure to check that out to boost your earnings. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more crypto tutorials and reviews.